Welcome back to another episode of Sea Oz Travel. This week we camp way too close to a high tide. We visit Bundaberg Rum distillery, and well, it felt like we nearly capsized on our way out to the Whitsundays from Ellie Beach. So sit back and enjoy this one. It's a good one.
Well, it's obvious where we are.
I was going to say, guess where we are?
It stinks.
It's a sugarcane, yeah.
Are you sure it's sugarcane?
Yeah, it smells.
Smells, yuck. There's lots of old people here though. Could be that. Oh wow. There's so much like merch and stuff. I think it was that one.
What?
Was it caramel?
That you got with Peter?
Yeah. Oh, maybe it was this one.
The chocolate and coffee.
I wish I actually liked rum. We are at Agnes Waters, just down the road actually at Chinaman's Beach. So today we went through Bundaberg, stayed just outside Bundaberg. We didn't film any of that, did we? We'll go to 1770.
We'll go up to 1770. We don't really know what we want to do. Like, I feel like we're just in the car for 3 hours, but we're both really bored.
Yeah.
So we're not making much ground, and if we stay here tomorrow night, it's 6 hours. Tonight. Yeah, it's 6 hour drive tomorrow, which we never do. So we're not really sure where we're gonna stay tonight. So we've just took some random track, lots of big puddles and mud and everything. We should have filmed it. We'll film it when we exit tomorrow. Honestly, we're pretty useless. But it's on the Boyne River. I just googled, there is crocodiles here, so we're not actually far from Gladstone. You can kind of hear some of the traffic, but it's really nice. Joss found this one on Wiki.
How come I don't get internet, you get internet, and I want to watch the footy tonight?
He can watch the footy on my phone. But we've just got one neighbour down here. He's just put his rod in, having a flick. And that's the railway bridge there. And then there's another couple, I think, up there. So it's really quiet, it's private. We've just parked far enough away from the river because, yeah, like I said, I just Googled, there is crocs in this river. Obviously, I don't know how far up it goes. So we're just going to make sure we're parked here.
I'll be on croc watch.
Joss is on croc watch because I am terrified of crocs. They're Birks. Oh,
just checking you're not wearing crocs.
But a really good camp. This one's free, obviously. We decided to leave 1770. They had one campsite left.
It was just a bit old. They were stuck in the past.
No, that's not why, but we were just indecisive today. I don't know, we're still getting our mojo back after.
Oh, I saw some bubbles.
I saw some bubbles too, after being in the comforts of a house, so we're still being indecisive, not knowing where we're going and all that stuff. Oh, what's those marks on the bank over there? Okay. Like under that big tree, like over there. Now I'm going to be paranoid about crocs, but I'm going to go get some firewood and we're going to set up because the sun's just about to go down. So we decided to move, we were down closer to the water because we weren't too sure if it was high tide or low tide already. We assumed it was low tide, and Joss has just got some service and it says that the next high tide's at 9 o'clock?
9:18.
9:18, so we wanted to make sure we were plenty back from the water's edge. The ground here doesn't look wet, so I don't think it gets this high, but again, we've just reversed in. So if we have to make a quick escape at 9 o'clock, we will. Just a little scavenge. So this will do us, oh, heaps of fish jumping. This will do us nice.
So it says high tide's going up another 2 meters though. Is that to like
2 meters from this?
Yeah.
So that's not very high.
2 meters is like that high.
Yeah, but then you got it's from there to here. Look, fish. So it's 9:20 and the water is right where Joss is in the background. So, I don't know, like 6 meters from the car. And we're thinking that the high tide's not going to be for like another little bit because we're so far actually away from the ocean. So we're just going to move just in case. We don't really want to get water in the car.
Can you see on the GoPro?
Yeah. There. Watch out there. Look at the water there. Okay, so water's there. The car's there. So did you say it's about 6 meters?
10.
And yeah, it's still coming up, so we're just going to move. Joss wanted to wait and see what it was going to do, but I don't think we need to. It was a very cold night last night, and if we'd stayed where we were, our tyres would have been in the water. And the train just went past. The amount of times that we do that is actually quite funny.
Lucky we have that pole.
Yeah,
Otherwise
to keep
it
it
would
up.
rattle it too much.
Yeah. We just moved the car around just so we can dry it out because
I found $5 yesterday.
the best thing that's ever happened to him. But yeah, just to dry the tent off, we just rotate it because it's getting so dewy because it's so cold in the mornings. But won't take long. Sun's really nice today. Endless muddy puddles on this track, but they're not deep or too boggy, just that one at the very, very end as you come in. But I could imagine how bad this would be in the wet. Especially this one, look at this big bog hole.
This one we can drive around.
Yeah. And you take the widest track. Middle one, yeah. We've made it to Airlie Beach.
Tourist Central.
It's very busy. Joss is shocked. He was last here when he was like 7? 10. So it's changed a little bit.
So Airlie Beach, only 3 or 4 caravan parks to stay at. Yeah, no free camping obviously.
Yes.
So we're hustling. Now we're just ringing around.
Just 2 adults, and I'm just chasing a price first.
Because they're all big Ford. Just
Okay, perfect. Let me just speak with my partner and I'll get back to you.
let's see what big 4 is. What's big 4?
135 for 2 people for 2 nights.
That's, you do the math.
Expensive.
$67.
$7?
For, alright, take off 10% of 135.
$60.
Oof! Okay.
And it's not even in town.
No, alright, do you want to call NRMA?
That's so classic.
Should be just up the road. What's the NRMA discount?
I think it's 10%.
Okay.
So 40 would be nice. Hi Kate, I was wondering if you had any availability for an unpowered site for tonight and tomorrow night? We just have a 4-wheel drive and a rooftop tent.
Did you say unpowered?
2 adults. Perfect.
Can you work out these hand signals? 6? 0. 2 nights.
So win with the caravan park, we literally got half price, and now we're going to go spend money on a tour. Good morning! We are just leaving the NRMA campground where we're going to stay for the last night and tonight, and we're going on a full day Whitsundays tour. So do like a snorkeling stop at one of the islands, we go to Whitehaven Beach, and then we go to the inlet lookout, which we're super keen for. A nice day again here. Bumpy because it's windy and cold.
Everyone reckon you can handle that? Beautiful. And then just because you have this on tape,
It's bumpy. How are you feeling after that, Megan?
We're on land. I'm literally, my legs are like shaky. We weren't even standing up. Oh, that was grim.
Apparently it'll be better
so
on the
grim.
way home.
When I don't trust them more. Off onto Whitehaven Beach, which is beautiful. Definitely like Esperance vibes of the very squeaky white sand and the really nice water, but yeah, we're still being told to wear our stinger suits, so there's still stingers around, but yeah, really nice.
I'm airing them out.
Airing them out. Last message I sent to my sister was when we were going through that little passage thing where it was really rough, and I texted her. I was like, oh my god, I'm dying. I was like, it's really, really rough. I'm really scared. I hope we don't capsize. And now it's been like 5 hours. Whoops. I'll read an update from my sister. Just got service, and we just came around this island, Whitsundays Island, and waves were over, like bigger than the side of the boat. I had to look away because it was so scary. Anyways, my sister has said, haha, fly back lol, ha, sick, ha. She was really worried.